Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this cute little calendar for my daughter. I started with a plain background and I used this paper to wrap the surface. I used old calendars as well as the boxes from the gifts that my daughter got over the holiday. I just cut them up and I used clear paper to glue onto the front, so I'll have something to write on. Then I peeled back the wrapping paper and I just glued it onto the surface of my base board. Then I made some little pockets from the cardboard. I wrapped it and I used my staple gun to staple it down. This will give me the little pockets that I need in order to store all of the little pieces that I made. So I made the numbers of for the days of the week, and the months of the year. I laid them out and I used my X-O knife to make a little slip so that I can just push those through so they'll stay in place. This was what the end result looks like. And this is very good for those of you who want to teach your children the days of the week, the months of the year, as well as to make them follow along with the actual date. So I made numbers from 1 to 31. This is great to help the children to be current and to stay in tune to what day of the week it actually is and the actual date. Let me know what you guys think about this cute little video. You guys can see my daughter little learning corner, and yeah, she's so excited. Bye guys.